Hi friends, how are you? I hope you're doing well wherever you are. And thank you so much for linking up again to my channel. Here we have a question where we are given an equation and we are asked to solve for x. We have 4 power 3x times 8 is equal to 1 over 32 and everything is raised to 2x minus 3 and we are asked to solve for x. Now in this case, what we need to realize that this is a question testing on laws of indices in a topic called indices and logarithms. Now, you'll realize that here we have 4 raised to 3x, and then we have 8, which is raised to power 1 if it's not indicated, and then we have 1 over 32. One thing you'll realize that if you are familiar with such numbers, you'll realize that this 4 can be written to base 2, so that we have 2 power 2 power 3x. And then also 8 can also be written to base 2, and 8 is actually 2 power 3. Now you'll also realize that this 32 can also be written to base 2, and 32 is actually 2 power 5. And remember, everything is raised to 2x minus 3. Now, applying one of the laws of indices here, what we call the power law, this can be worked out and we find 2 power 6x. When a number is raised to a power and then it's raised to another power, then you can work out by multiplying the 2 powers, so that here we'll have 2 times 3x, which is now 2 power 6x, and then times 2 power 3, which we had here, and then here we have 1 over 2 raised to power 5, and then we have that whenever in the numerator we have a number raised to a particular power, we can take that number to the denominator, and the moment we do that, the power changes to a negative. So this will be 1 over 2 power 5 is actually 2 power negative 5. And remember, it was further raised to 2x power 3, which again, when we apply the power law that we applied in this case, then this is the same as 2 power, now negative 5 times 2x minus 3, which in this case will be negative 10x, and then plus 15. Negative 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. Now here, we can further apply the other law of indices, the multiplication law. So when you're multiplying numbers that have the same basis, then you can add their powers. So like in this case, 2 power 6x multiplied by 2 power 3 is actually 2 power 6x plus 3. Now this is equal to 2 power negative 10x plus 15. Now we have two numbers here whose bases are the same, so we are at liberty to equate their powers. Therefore, we'll have 6x plus 3 is actually equal to negative 10x plus 15. Now we have here a simple algebraic equation. So what we need to do is to collect like terms. So like in this case, I would bring negative 10x to this other side. So we'll have 16x. When it comes to this other side, it will be positive. So 10x plus 6x will be 16x. And then we take this 3 to the other end, and that will be 3 plus 15 minus 3, which is 12. And therefore, our x, we divide both sides by 16. So we'll have our x being equal to 12 over 16, which is actually 3 over 4, the common factor being 4. And this is the solution to the question that we had there. So if this interested you, I once again request you to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and also make a comment. You can ask questions and recommend even the next topic that I should tackle. Please share this if it benefited you so that it can also benefit others. Thank you so much for your audience. Have a nice time and take care.